What is going on, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I'm wearing orange because it's time for fall. And if you say, it's not October, Jordan, it's not fall. Excuse me, ma'am, 1 second. When's the first day of fall?
Fall began September 23rd and ends December 20th.
Want to see that right there? It's time to decorate the room, the house, get the good foods, watch the cute movies, go to freaking pumpkin patches, and wear orange. Why did I just say orange?
Orange?
So we are going to go, I'm with my boyfriend, by the way. Say hi, babe.
I'm boyfriend.
And we are gonna go shop. We're gonna decorate my room. We're gonna take you guys along with me. Maybe we'll do some DIY, some fun things. And also, you guys get to see more of my room because I don't really show my room a lot. So, room transformation time. First stop. By the way, my shoes match my sweater.
Wait, stand right there. Squat.
Fall. By the way, it's still 90 degrees in California, so.
Aren't you supposed to be decorating your room, not your legs?
I'm decorating my life. Okay, I'm upgrading my life. I like this. Because I like to be thankful. We could put some, like, stuff in this, right? Okay, so babe, do I need these candles, or do I use my Bath & Body Works candles I already have?
No, I use these because that says cinnamon apple. And whatever they're lighting and burning in the store, we need.
I think I should be cost efficient and I should use the candles I've already had.
Okay.
Okay. Don't grab this cinnamon apple.
I'm not gonna grab the cinnamon apple candle.
Pumpkin skies and all. And I also read it backwards because I'm dyslexic. It's pumpkin pie and autumn skies.
You said pumpkin skies and autumn pies.
I'm getting this. This is good. This is good. Painting, check. Okay, so I wasn't super happy with what I found at TJ Maxx. I knew that I was gonna find more things at Target. I just thought it would be more inexpensive to go to TJ Maxx first. So I did get a couple little knickknacks, and I know that I would never have found that dope of a canvas or artwork for my room from Target. So I spent like $20 on that. Everything was under $60, which I got 2 glass jars, like a canvas, a dope pumpkin, socks. So I think that's pretty good for under $60. We're gonna go to Target now. Gonna check some stuff out there, get some candy, get some pillows, get some more decor. I'm probably gonna spend a lot of money there, but I really wanna make a dope video for you guys, so I'm just gonna go all out. I only decorate my room for like Halloween and Valentine's Day. I don't even really do Christmas because I decorate the house, just not my room. We're gonna get festive and we're gonna go all the way because we don't do things halfway here. You have 2 layers, you know you mean business. Stella, are you excited for my room transformation? I have all of my new goodies laid out on my bed. I don't have a lot of things. I mean, there's stuff in bags, but I got a pretty big room. I have more paintings up than I thought I did, but it's okay. It's okay, we're gonna work with our 2 that we have. I think the most excited I am.
Oh, that scared the crap out of me. Jesus.
Basically, I'm gonna redo my room by myself, and I'm going to show him after. So I'm gonna be up here working, sweating. You guys will be able to see the whole transformation. So let's just get into it, okay? Babe, you have to leave. Bye. Gonna start setting up. So basically I'm just gonna time lapse everything so that you guys don't have to see all this kind of struggle. So cue time lapse. So here's a quick little pan without all my pink stuff. My room looks pretty empty. I'm leaving these just because I'm not changing anything right there, so I don't wanna make that wall bare. But this is before basically. Okay, babe. I'm done. But keep in mind, I'm not no Mr. Kate, okay?
Okay.
Wait a second. Close your eyes.
I'm not tripping on this step.
I'm going inside. Hold on. Wait a second. Wait a second. I think it looks so cute. Okay, come in.
This is the same.
Yep.
This is the same. Ooh. It's like Halloween in here.
Look at how cute and cozy.
The pillows are good, all of them.
Yeah.
All of them, they work together perfectly. Oh, wow. Babe, you got something going for you. You know that? Can I be honest with you, my favorite piece of the entire room?
The purple thing?
The purple bat. It's probably the best thing in the entire room.
This is your cozy kit? But look how cozy my room is! And these fit perfectly.
What candle are you burning?
Marshmallow Fireside and Through the Woods.
Which to the woods. But yes, this is absolutely amazing.
So this is the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you guys really liked me doing decor things, give it a bigger thumbs up because my comments are turned off and I won't know if you guys actually like these. So if you want me to do another home decor video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. We're almost to 2 million subscribers. I have to beat Zach Clayton to 2 million subscribers so you guys know what to do. But I'm super in love with my room. I could freak out. I think it's so cute, so cozy especially. And you'll probably see me rocking this way past Halloween, so hope you guys are okay with that. Thanks for watching. Bye!